Yo, welcome to the stream, everybody. Yes, Abhinav Murjani. स्ट्रीम कर रहे हैं, आ जाओ, आना है तो।
नहीं, मेरे को मालूम नहीं था। जस्ट ज्वाइन ऐसे ही। तो क्या आप करो, कंटिन्यू।
Cool. Bye. This is pretty new stuff for me, guys. So everything is cool. How the fuck should I or it works, right? Thank you. I'm just trying to put some music on because it's gonna be long fucking stream. Just give me a few seconds. Market is open, by the way. We are pumping, so that is good, I guess. I'll get back on the charts. Just give me a second, guys. Nah, this is not it. I don't know what to do, but yeah. Yeah, we were chopping around when the market opened, so gotta be very careful. I'm looking at something like this, right? If ES goes above, close there, and then we go up, I guess. I'm just trying to find few stuff, guys, for you, so makes stuff easier for me as well. Hello everybody, welcome to the stream. Give me a few more minutes and then I'm gonna back. Yes, sir. Yeah, I've shifted to positive RR for a while, Rex. Just trying to see if I'm testing out both stuff at the time. I'm gonna find out which is better for me, and if things works out, I think it will be much more better. Why there is a I hope voice is now clearer than it was. I cannot see chat. That is fucking insane. Alright, is that will do. Alright, let's get few stuff out of it. We took out this low here. So expecting some retracement from yesterday's drop. Like we had a crazy 1,000 point drop yesterday. So I'm expecting some little bit retracement, but for that I need confirmation, right? I don't wanna get behind that we're gonna react off this block and then we're gonna dump again and take out these lows, which is like highly doubt that it's gonna do it or not. If it does, it's all right. Hello, welcome to the stream. I'm looking at this 15-minute like FPG, right? We respected it, we went down. So if it inverts once, I think we're gonna go up, taking out this high. Potential target can be this high as well. So that's what I want to play around with. Thank you for the subscription, Evil God Gamer. Hello. I didn't leave anything. I'm waiting to see what we do here, right? That do we like do something like that, try to find longs. If not, then yeah. कौन है हेलो हेलो बोल रहा है? Funding takes rule change. Yeah, but someday they will have to. I mean, their plan was too good to be true, to be honest. So yeah, but they are still keeping 90-10 split, so that is all right. So yeah. They were thinking about going back to 80-20, you know, industry standard are 90-20, so they decided that they're gonna stay with 90-20 split. हिंदी में बोलो, बताओ क्या बोले हिंदी में. There are lots of firm which has EOD end of the day. So check them out if you want them. You have Tradify, 30%, 35% off. I think other than Apex, whatever I have listed below and TPT, they are end of the day. Who told you Apex? Only Apex has activation fee. Are you kidding me? Are you new to the futures or what? Let's see what we can do at the inversion of this, right? The inversion of this, and we leave this high out away. We come back down, and then we go take out that high and potentially going higher. But their account cost more, Raghav. It's the same thing. My bias is to the upside because the kind of dump we had, right? The kind of dump we had yesterday should get some at least reaction to the upside. I want to like 50% of yesterday's area range, somewhere around that, if we can go it. Let's see if it can push back again to the upside. I'm gonna plan for the longs. Right now, not in the position at all. If it push back and like, because there are so many highs, and this one as well. If it respects this, and then I think if it doesn't, I think we are going down. So yeah. Oh, now it's chopping like heavy. Look at that chop. If you are planning to buy some accounts, make sure you wait for the Black Friday sale, which is gonna be the best. Don't delete any messages until I read. Samir, what did he say? 8:15 news. Let's find out. Financial juice. Ah, University of Michigan. We got news at 8:13, so we can chop around until then. And then for now that plan is cancelled. I think I'm gonna wait for the news to come out, let it play out and see what we can do with it. It's chopping around heavily. No, I was rocking way before that, Samir. Let me tell you, I was rocking in the negative RR. I'm still rocking it. It doesn't. I mean, depends on what you call rocking. Making few changes to the strategy is always okay if you feel like it. If you wanna make it or not. We invest this FEG that was fake, of course. Uh, and then now we invest this 1 minute, tap into it, and then we are dumping. Yeah, it's currently a, this can be the manipulation. That's what I feel like. Uh, we are chopping, let's say we manipulate, or if we are going down, then I think we're gonna have so many chances later on as well. So yeah, 8:15 there is a news. There was a news. I think it has gone. Like there is a news at 10 as well. So 10 news is like bigger one. Red folder. The thing is, like, the structure is so ugly, even to the upside. It's fucking insane. Yeah, I think we took out this low. Now we are pumping. I would have longed on this inversion if there was no news. We still got time till news. So I don't know if I want to long this or not. Would have tried to find out where market is going. Test trade in the market where you just test it. I feel like if it's we got 12 minutes till news. Let's see if we can get some reaction here. If not, like if we go through like where do I set this bit rate thing? Yeah, I think this can be a good trade if any risk less because news is there to fuck up stuff. This can be pretty good. I'm not taking it. I'm just waiting for the news to come out, but this can be a pretty good trade. Look at that runaway now. You can put break even above this high and then let it run for another. Sorry. I'm still waiting for news to come out. This is just idea, so let's not like news always fucks up stuff. A pretty good idea this one. Or this can be again range into the chop. We're gonna fuck around. Let's see if this holds. 9 minutes till news. So I'm not taking any trades just yet. But let me do one thing. What does like by the way I took some trades today in the morning and I'm up little bit small amount of money on those accounts. Not right now in the morning. Asian session. Let's see if we can pump here. We are chopping around for now. Maybe purchase one eval and try to fuck around with it while we find a good trade. Nice push there. Should have got in, but the only problem was fucking news in middle of the day. I feel like news should be done before market open. They should not wait for the fucking 10 o'clock. I don't know. I don't give a shit if they have to wake up early for that. Wow. That was a good trade, but sucks that we couldn't get in. Almost no drawdown. Like we went back to tap. That was the only thing. 50 points. I guess taking out of this high would be your break even if anybody is into that trade. Hello, 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 everybody. There is another news at 8:30. Sorry, 9:30, and that's called for the break even, and that high is out. Fucking beautiful move. Missed out on that. Unlucky. Hello, hello. I want to say if anybody's in this trade, just let it ride. Fuck it. The kind of moves we have been having, like for it, if it inverts this 15-minute FPG on the ES, it's gonna fucking go to hell. But yeah, logical things to do is like book here, right? Let's go Prithvi WW. It's nothing. Like I was just I just point the finger out, right? That you should do this. It is always you that who worked hard. You know, there are people who are like learning with you and still not able to make money. It's on them, right? They cannot blame me for it, for sure. So likewise, like you cannot give me all the credits to me. You were the one who worked hard. Sorry, guys. Wow, look at that high taken out, and now we are pulling back. Waiting for news. Let's see if we can. Thanks, Prithvi. Yeah, I think that high was the target for you guys. I mean, as I said, logical thing was to do that book there. But if you are aiming for like crazy money, then I'm gonna let it fly. Alright, that whole trade idea, like getting out break even if you hold it, is the wise thing to do. If you held it, right? I don't think so. You wanna see it draw down after seeing like 100 points more in your direction. Not at all. Where are my drawings gone? Yeah. As I said, there was a liquidity pool right there. I don't know if there was or not, but I like to assume that there was, and we took that out. W. Let's see if we can, like, I'm gonna trade few evals from the TPT. Let's see if I can kill something. By the way, Apex has a crazy deal going on if nobody knows. I mean, if somebody doesn't know that 80% is off with $40 activation. That is crazy. If anybody can confirm that it is still going on, it's a crazy deal, to be honest. Very crazy deal. In 10,000 rupees, under 10,000 rupees, you can get one funded account, and like that is, it used to be 20k. If you want to purchase accounts, like there is a code down there. Look at that, UA trades. And with Apex, it is crazy how much scaling you can do. Unfortunately, I cannot trade on with them. Otherwise, I don't have to go around trying to look for funding with every firm. I can just get few accounts with Apex and be there. Yeah, $120 per one account. That is crazy with the activation and everything. Like $39 eval and $40 activation fee. If you count that, if you can pass it in one go without doing any fuck ups, That can be $80 account, and I think you don't want anything more than that. News in 20 seconds, guys. Be careful if you are in the trade. Uh, it is very complicated to trade with your money in US future market, so be careful with that. Okay, let's see which way we go. Yes, 15-minute looks still strong to the upside, so I think that's where we're gonna go. But yeah, why did Apex when you there was a people on tweeting pulling $1 million in a day? I had told this story so many times. So with the firms, what happens is, like, I suggest that you keep using the same setup or same Wi-Fi under. I mean, futures doesn't have that much problem with you using different Wi-Fi's and whatnot, but make sure you don't log in like two accounts from one MAC address. If you know, you know. Wow, after taking out that high, we are aggressively going down. Just wanna see that. Don't log in two accounts from one setup or whatever. That's what I'm trying to say. Or don't trade two accounts. Don't. I mean, if you go on at your friend's house, make sure you trade on your own Wi-Fi, not on his Wi-Fi, because like MAC address gets detected and then they're gonna think that you're doing some fishy stuff. So don't fuck around and find out. That's what I'm trying to say. That can be treated as Apex gambling, because I think they have one gem five or something, five gem one. So you gotta put SL below 50 points. Like if you put like $45, that should be alright, but not 50 and more than 50 points. Revenge trade, you cannot do anything. You're gonna learn from your own experience. If I say something and you think that it's gonna help you, it's not gonna help you. You're gonna do the same mistakes in the moments when it comes. So it's way better कि तुम सीख लो, खुद से एक्सपीरियंस करो वो रिवेंज ट्रेडिंग एंड देन फिगर आउट कि उससे कुछ होने तो वाला नहीं है. So it's way better to close your accounts on the loss than do revenge trade. So yeah, right action is, I mean, we still moved like 100 points up and then 100 points down, 200 points up and 200 points down. I'm not saying there is no momentum, but not with the conviction that we had like last whole week. I mean, last this 4 days this week. We have swapped this low. Yes, is yet to swap that low. If we get close above, I'm still looking for longs. My bias is still gonna be to the longs. Can you show your trades, please? Why would I show my trades? I have no intention of showing you my any trades. If you are here for copy and if you are here for proofs that I trade what I say I trade and I don't trade what I don't say I don't trade, then don't join. Come here, chill out, have my stream playing in your background while you're trading. Maybe share few ideas here and there. That would be fun. Don't always go looking for. Oh, that one. Okay, guys, I'm just trying a little bit. Oh, fuck, I missed my entry. Shit. Chat! Don't do this to me, please. Anyway, this is fucking horrible entry. But yeah, this is it. I'll show you guys what it is. My trade was. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It is my mistake as well. Cannot blame on you guys. I really wanted to get entry on that, but it's alright. I can average when it comes back down to make it good. But I think if it runs away, it runs away. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's the thing. Wow, my entry is so fucking bad that I don't know where to place my SL. Oh, that is insane. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get taken out there. Can we not do that, please? Can we not do that? Yeah, I got taken out right there. Pretty fucking bad entry. Otherwise, I would have even gotten the like. This was the entry I wanted. Tap into it, and then like yeah, one gem one was there, so I could have gotten fucking break even. But yeah, it sucks. It's all right. I'm not a life advisor, Samir. You should look for life advice with a wise man. I'm pretty young for myself. Oh no. This is what I meant by my entry was bad. If it's gonna go back up from here, I'm gonna be so fucking pissed. But I took a like $300 loss on that trade. It's alright. We can make it back. If trade presents itself. I'm gonna turn on something. Yeah, it's alright if you don't put as well. With the future from it, there is no problem. No way, chat. Look at this. If I get busy in reading chats, this is what happens. But it's alright. We move on. Like my entry was like 93, 92. Could not give more than this one. It's alright. Alright, one SL, $300 down on the session. Let's see what we can do with it. Okay, what trade I took on the Asian session to make $1,000. So as you can see, we had this liquidity area right down there before we open, right? We left some liquidity areas right there. What we did on the open was we dumped through that liquidity area, and then we had a great pump back up, right? It left with a FVG, 5 minute FVG. We tapped that FVG. I entered, I think, on this like green candle alone. I did not wait for the FVG to get formed, because usually what happens on the Asian session is like it's not gonna wait for you. It's just gonna keep continue going. So I entered here. We had a pullback and everything, but I held it through, and then till this FVG, which was open about right there. So yeah, that was a pretty good trade. Not gonna lie. Yeah, this one was pretty. Anyway, it was fucked trade. Got faked out by NQ. Yeah, I'm gonna wait now. I'm gonna let it settle down. See what higher time frame does. If you're passing evals, then I guess 5 micros should be alright. That is like bit aggressive, but that's a thing. Do you look for SMTs? I don't. I just look at how ES is working while NQ is working. So in that, like overall, yes, maybe, but not always. I just pull pot evals, to be honest, Asraf. Pull potting evals to pass them. It's just not picking up direction. I think it's gonna do the same thing like yesterday. That it left that low, take out again, and then it's gonna pick up direction where we can get entries. No trades. Yes, it's pretty weak. Even NQ is weak. I'm not gonna say. NQ is weaker, I guess. Yeah. And full potting meaning making whatever you can make in a day. If I can make $1,500, I'm gonna go for $1,500. There is 50% consistency. Full potting doesn't mean full potting. Full potting on a good trades, risking more. Let's say if it's 50K account, I'm gonna risk $1,000 on a trade to make $1,500. That's what I meant by full potting, not just full pot on the news. Pretty choppy for now. Yeah, we don't take that low out. I don't know for what reason. Hello, hello, welcome to the stream. We got 57 people in the chat, got 17 likes. That is crazy. How much you guys hate pressing that button. If NQ takes out that low, should I drive pattern with protected low? Should I? I don't know what you're talking about. Maybe some other concepts. I just want that ES takes out this 15-minute low. Nothing else. No, I mean, take this whole liquidity out and see what we can do after that. It's shopping around. It's Friday. Market can take a little bit rest today without going anywhere. It doesn't have to go anywhere. All right, finally. Hello, Kilto. Okay, yes, I do. Calm stream. Yes. I'm not here to teach anything any to anybody. I'm just here to share my opinions. I'm just here to show you what I do. You know. No, I don't buy that low. Crazy. How we cope with the negative thoughts? I think I never had to question. I guess you just gotta keep working and working. You should not have time to think about everything. I mean, all that negative thoughts and everything. You just gotta keep believing in yourself that there is no possible way you can fail if you keep working towards right things. I guess, and put right amount of time in dedication into the learning something. I guess with any career, it's the same thing, same suggestion all the way. And it is very hard to fail. I would say that's the thing. People think it's very hard to, I mean, be profitable. I think it's very hard to lose or be stay unprofitable. It's just that we make few mistakes here and there, and then keep doing those mistakes again and again. That what makes us, or at least keeps us unprofitable. This short could have been good idea, right? Inversion of that, and then we dump through taking out these lows. But yeah, my bias is not aligning. He's showing some love, guys. Don't do that. Chill the fuck out. Wow, that I missed that. But I'm done with my funded accounts. That I took one trade in the morning on my three accounts, as you can see on screen. So I'm almost to the payout. If Monday goes, everything goes right on Monday. You can have I'm gonna request payouts on Tuesday morning, and I'm gonna show it on stream later on. It's funded in extra accounts, by the way. Those are. What a job this is like. Crazy how we are chopping. કેમ છો? બસ મજામાં senpai. Is it a, it's a genuine question. Do you think our sent in K was worth it or not? I mean, who cares what I think or not, right? It's on you. Do you think it was worth it or not? I would always say yes to that question. I don't think so. You care about my opinion at all, right? Unless we don't get like clean move on the 5 minutes, or stay away with this thing. This is everything is like weird price action. When are you getting buffed? When I make like $1 million, I'll buff overnight. Until then, I'm gonna stay on this diet only. Yeah, I think it can be the move, but I still doubt it. I don't think. This was the same setup right here, right? Inversion of bearish FVG. It did not follow through for some reason. We are getting some clean price action on 5 minute now. Let's see if we can inverse this 15 minute. Love you too, bro. Love you too. What do you think about funding things new rules? Just if you don't like new rules, just don't buy it. It's as simple as that. There are multiple firms you can go with. Why you are worrying about one firm changing its role? It is good for their business. That's why they are doing it. A hell lot of firm that you can go and buy accounts with. Again, I'm still not buying it. Like with this much weakness, I'm willing to go short but not long right here. I'll be getting back to chat in a few. I'm just gonna focus on charts now for now, guys. If we inverse this, I think can be good setup. I don't think so. It's gonna push through until we take out this low or maybe this low. If it just wants to go down, it's gonna keep going down. That's the thing. It's not like it's not moving. Market is moving crazy. Like look at this. This is 144 points move. 150 points move. It's going up and down, up and down. I trade on trader weight. This is it, guys. This is trader weight. You can see funded accounts 3 almost at the payout. I just need one more good day of $600 and I'll be at the payouts. We'll be taking out $4,500 with funded next. Yeah. Yeah, of course, of course. If it's your it's sorry, if it's in your plan, you can. I think shorts looks more good to me right now. The way it's moving. We are having pullbacks of 100 like 200 points every time we go down, and that is the only scary thing. So it's not gonna, I mean, we'll have to size down a lot. Oh, you wanna see all the accounts profit here? Just okay. Just go here, click, and then account section. Just drag it. It will show every account. That was pretty good short entry right there, tapping into it and then letting it dump. It sucks that I don't have accounts to trade today. But I think on Monday I will have accounts to trade. Finally. If I lock payout, see guys, my plan is okay, I'm just gonna tell you guys what my plan is. Like to get funded with at least $4 million or $3 million, right? It's not that I'm gonna pass accounts like properly and whatever blah blah, and funding doesn't matter. I have said it like मैंने पहले भी बताया है 1,000 times. Funding does not matter. What matters is how much payout you are taking out, right? And how much money you are blowing behind that, getting that funded, right? That matters. Now my plan is to take a small payout of $4,500 from funded next, right? I have 3 accounts. I can take $1,500 from each account. I'm gonna be taking out $4,500, right? Ignore my writings. I write like a kid, but yeah, 4,500 I'm straight away gonna spend on accounts. Okay, I'm not gonna keep it with me or anything. Fuck it. I'm getting ready for next year. I want as much as funding possible for next year. You know, getting ready. Last month and a half, I'm gonna prepare for next year. Right. This year is already over, almost. So yeah. Right. $4,500. I'm gonna buy straight to fundeds with Lucid and Tradify. If there is discount with them, I will let you know, guys. 150k, so that's gonna be like 1.5 million funding alone, right? And then I'm gonna buy funding ticks, TPT, alpha futures, and some other accounts, and try to pass them and get to the mark where I want, like at least 3 million plus. So I do have, I mean, plan for next 1.5 months, and I am planning to stream everything. Hopefully everything goes to plan. If doesn't, it doesn't. See, we cannot do anything. Not everything goes how you want it to go, right? So yeah, that's my plan. I hope you have your plan ready as well. I won't be able to stream Asian session and London sessions. I don't trade London that much, but yeah, New York session will be streamed, stemmed. Yeah, Samir. That's the plan. Like for going forward, if any of you are doing forex or CFD firms, your plan should be to get as soon as possible on the future firms. As you can see, I've been screaming this since last 2 years that everybody's gonna shift to futures. You're gonna see, because it is way much more regulated. It's way much more fun to trade futures. Like slippage are close to none, so it is always fun, and like rules are cleaner. You don't get rejected for your payouts. It's like so many good things here with futures. And the firm I'm promoting, right, the firm we are affiliated with are they always gonna pay you no matter what, right? If you have made money, you're gonna get paid for it if you followed all the rules. Tradify, Lucid, they pay out in one day. Like you request and you get paid instantly. MFFU is also there. I'm gonna come out. I'm thinking we are gonna get affiliated with MFFU as well, because they are doing fucking great things out there. Apex, nobody gives as much as funding. I mean, Apex, right? They are great to have. Like you have 20, 150k accounts with Apex. You don't need any other firm. Just keep trading on one single firm. Keep stacking bread. Well, look at that now. We are going to lows. ES is nowhere close to that low. So that is my plan. I don't care that I'm gonna fuck it up or not. But going forward, that is my plan, right? Getting ready for 2026. I will see. Me personally is not going. It's like VEDICCRAFT people are going with MFFU. Have you seen any code like GCT, Gamecraft trades or anything? No, never. Yes, maybe in future, but right now I'm just focusing on building my trading career. Let's see if they give us account to give away. We'll ask for from them if they can give accounts to give away. We will. We might. For now, market is like melting from that high, like 400 points. I mean NQ is like crazy how 400 points moving is easy. In half an hour, like so volatile. If you're on the right side, you can get paid fat checks, and then if you're on the wrong side, you are just wrong. No, nothing gonna save you there. Why don't you trade Indian's market? I've never traded Indian markets in my career ever, and I don't want to do it. I'm sorry, there are way much better opportunities here than blowing my money there. We got another low sitting right there. Let's see how we react from here and here. Yes, is like there is SMT right there, but I don't think so. It's gonna stay. Yes, should take out that low for us to do anything. Because there are weakless candles. I use both Suya, sorry. I leave there. I sometimes trade negative in the evals, but for now I'm using only positive RR with my PS. Yeah, I use 2022 model. Mostly you will see me trading that only. If we stay bearish, this can be good entry on the yes. Sorry guys. 40 people in the chat. How much you are funded with, guys, and which I mean with which firm, like what firm are you funded with? Are you still in the CFD firms, or you all have switched to futures? I need to really get haircut. FT and FX, good. One account MFFU is a good one. 0 100. Hopefully you get one soon. Futures is the future. Yes, true, Nick. On my first funding takes eval, finger cross. You pass those accounts. 5 funding takes. Crazy. You cannot pass. If you cannot pass, you all just, I mean, you know, there are ways to pass it with Apex. But if you are struggling with trading itself, then you should get your things in place and then trade. It's alright. Oh, it happens. FPG tab. Now see, let's see if we can get the reaction to the lows or this SMT gonna work. I don't think so. This SMT gonna work out at all. You know, this will get respected and we're gonna dump through these lows. This emotions, yeah, it's fine. You work on those. See, every trader has to go through that phase where emotions doesn't let them be profitable. It's fine. You're gonna learn from your mistakes. Easiest, if you want like easiest rule and everything, go with Tradify. If you want cheaper account, go with Apex. Discount codes are listed below. So yeah. To be honest, when I was 12, I didn't know shit about. I didn't know about trading itself. Something like this existed, right? I guess focus on your studies. I think in the 12, I think you should do that, and then later on when you go to college or whatever, when you have time and money to spend on the evals or whatever, you can keep working on that. Ahmedabad copy, yeah, sure. DM me with info. I don't know. I cannot commit right now to coming there or not. But yeah, weekend is boring, so might as well. Wow, we are expecting that. Let's see how much deeper we go. This can be the pullback, right? The pullback we had here, and then down like same thing. NQ is moving strong after that. What the fuck? My hair was here all the time. Fuck. How to pass evaluation? I guess if you have figured out your trading, then risk less is the only way. Sorry, risk more is the only way. What the fuck I am saying? If you think that you make progress to let's say 1500 $2000 and then fail it from there, I guess you should risk more little bit. It's this is only if you have figured out your trading part and technical part. Still don't buy that it is gonna hold. I'm fucking lazy. I don't know why I keep yawning. Yes, I am full-time trader. Is it gonna be slow grind to the upside? Oh, I feel so tired. Sleep schedule, sleep schedule is like fucked pretty much. Yo, how tall I am? Unusual question. 5'7", 5'8". What do you think about BTC? I don't ever think about BTC. I'm away from that game. Hopefully to stay away. But BTC, let's have a look at it. I do have it on my chart. It is going 80,000 for now. I do analyze it as well. Just okay. Do you see this? Like, how many people got liquidated? in this 45,000 move. It is crazy losing 30% of its value in a few days. Right? How much it lost? It has lost 35% of its value. In a matter of months. Not even month. NQ has pulled down as well, like a great move to the downside, but you see, even after falling this much, is still at the level of what? October 2025, and 10% is down. Are you in the long from 3-minute candle start? Oh my god, you got. Let's go, young wing. WW for passing accounts. तुम अलग अलग नाम से आते हो. I don't. Pratham, is it Pratham? Yeah. Go in a hope. It's fine. It happens. That's what I'm saying. No, I'm not buying longs at all. Like, I'm not buying that it's gonna go up. Like, it is sketchy. It can go up, but it's just that this move was like not that great. अरे प्रथम भाई, नाम प्रथम रखो ना फिर. ये क्या रखते हो? लोगों के चैट में जाके बकचोदी करते हो क्या तुम? Then it's okay. Keep that name. Hopefully, Black Friday sales go on by. I mean, starts by next week. I really wanna purchase few accounts. Buying is little bit scary. Selling is little bit scary. I don't know what to do at this point. I would want to buy if it inverts this, right? But you know how fuck this is. 50% step. We do have. Wow, this is great setup. Sorry. Not yet. We are not open right now, Siva. Once we do, I'll let you know. Close above, pull back into it can be the great idea. Oh, no, I'm not in the buys. I'm waiting for something. I'm waiting for close above, pull back into it, and then I may think of going into buys. It's just not closing above that area. Choppy market, yes. It is choppy, but it's moving crazy. Crazily choppy market. Look at that. 150 points. Even that pullback should have been like 50 points. It should be 50 points. Yes. 100 points, not even 50 points. That is fucking insane choppy market.
अभिषेक भाई
Yes.
तो दिया आ गया मेरा अब मैं पे आउट रिक्वेस्ट कर सकता
Let's go W. Finally. So that's a live account, right? Where did he go? भाई वो बता के चला गया कि उसका अकाउंट आ गया है लाइव अकाउंट विथ बढ़िया. Yeah, I think there is a great move waiting because it's Friday. It should, I don't know if it's gonna do it or not. There was a close above. People who trade like with the 2022 mechanical model, they have to go long there. Boring, it's boring. Only gave me one setup, which was worth taking it. After that, it's locked. This is the exact market where you should pass your evals by averaging, and then because it's moving crazily, but it's not like picking direction. So even if you are wrong, you know, it can play out in your favor. I think it will buy from this move. Do you think it's gonna go up from here? It can, it definitely can.
भाई, अभिषेक भाई,
Yes.
रुक जा।
Yes.
एक मिनट, स्क्रीन शेयर करनी पड़ेगी। अभिषेक भाई, देख पैसे डोनेट करने से फायदा क्या मिला मेरे को? सूखा सूखा 800 डॉलर का फायदा।
सुखा सुखा।
अब मैं इसको
ओके,
वो करूँ ना, डेली पे होता है इसमें।
डेली है हाँ, ट्रेड कर ले, निकाल ट्रेड कर ले।
यार रनअप मार दूँ।
लाइव सेटअप इन प्रोग्रेस ऐसा क्या दिखा रहा है, क्या आ गया?
ये नीचे वाले का आ गया
डिटेल
मेरा।
लॉगिन करके
इसमें
दिखा
10,000
भाई।
बनाना, इसमें इसमें ये है कि मैं 10,000 डॉलर ही बना सकता हूँ। 10,000 से ऊपर बना दिए तो वो मुझे लाइव पे शिफ्ट कर देंगे, परमानेंट लाइव। अभी टेम्प लाइव है कि मैं डेली निकाल सकता हूँ, सब कुछ लाइव होगा, लाइव की तरह है, बस एक्चुअल लाइव अकाउंट नहीं है।
सो लाइक टीपीटी।
टीपीटी, हाँ हाँ हाँ। अब
हाँ
इसमें फायदा ये है ना कि तुम्हारे जो पहले के पैसे होते हैं, जो पहले तुम 2,000 बनाते हो, टीपीटी पास हो गया मेरा, 200 बनाने हैं कल मंडे को।
लेट्स गो डब्ल्यू।
ये बस डेटा एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा और फिर
Child is talking about Padilla guys. We are still testing out with them.
हाँ कि एक चीज है, मैं 2,000 निकाल के टेस्ट आउट कर लूँ पे करता है या नहीं, पर मुझे क्या लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा ट्रेड कर ही लेता हूँ भाई।
अभी डेटा नहीं आया ना इसका।
मंडे तक ही आएगा मुझे लगता है, अभी एक्टिवेट करेंगे। आज ही अकाउंट सेटअप करके दिया इन्हें, अभी दिया, मतलब मैं बात कर रहा था और फिर आता है मुझे पर्दिया का ईमेल, और मैं चिल्लाने लग गया, कुत्ते साले, मैंने बोला था दे देंगे।
50 घंटे के बाद, 50 दिन के बाद। उसके पहले तो तूने निकाल भी लिए लूसिड का लेके। They took like 2 weeks, right?
हाँ हाँ, ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया थोड़ा। अच्छा, इन्हें मुझे काम भी दिया हुआ है। हाँ, पर देखो ना, अकाउंट यू पास्ट, हाँ अच्छा, ने बोला एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली पास्ट। ओह अच्छा, ये एरर हो गई थी, इसे डिले हो गया था बेंचो।
Why regularly I can live? I'm gonna try. I try always my best, but something happens, some fuck ups thing happens, and then I don't. It doesn't feel like it is worth coming live. That's the thing. But I will try my best. It is worth. I think the trade idea that I want is like this. I'm not taking it yet, but yeah.
करके आ जाता हूँ।
How do you spend your weekends? Don't ask me that. Crazy boring weekends. By the way, FYI, I'm not taking this trade. Just letting you know, guys. This is just an idea that I have. Mm, I don't have confidence in that trade, but yeah, if you like that idea, you can do your thing. But yeah, I just sleep all weekend. Try to get back on my sleep schedule, and then I do fuck it up next Monday. But yeah, because right now I'm sleeping in the quarters. 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the afternoon. That's all I sleep. Plan one meetup. Yeah, I know it is not at all good for the health, but gotta do what I gotta do. Grind. I know it's not at all good for your health. I want to trade Asian session like global open as well. I want to trade New York session, so let's see if it come back down and inverse this. I'll be willing to go in that trade. Until then, nothing for me. Come back down, inverse this. Something like this. Leave that high, and then dump. The date is wrong in the title. Fuck. How do I? Yeah, date is so fucking wrong. We are in the. Yeah, now it's correct.
Hello.
हेलो रूडी, व्हाट्स अप? क्या चौप मार रही है बे? डायरेक्शन ही नहीं पकड़ रही है। How how was your session?
It was great. 2 wins आ गई थी उसमें.
2 wins? W.
Yep, 2 wins.
W. Gujarat. Alright. Now if it starts to go down, invest that 1 minute and give me reaction of it. I think I'm willing to go in, but before that, nothing. I'm not going into longs at all.
I think मैं तो फंसा ही हुआ था. Mainly the blocks were failing because of that midnight open.
Hmm. It just doesn't want to come back down. Plan is still there if we come back down, otherwise it's alright. Not this much volatile, but it is always, market is always in the jolly mood in the December closing year. But it wasn't dumping, let me tell you that much, I guess. Usually in December we get a run to the upside. When's the Black Friday sale? I don't know. Hopefully soon enough. Next week at least. One hour is fucking disgusting. Like, fuck. 4 hour is more disgusting than 1 hour. What the fuck? What the?
Hardcore.
Look at that. Who wants to trade this? Crazy. Crazy how it doesn't work out. Barcode printing, yeah. Yes, it definitely is good. Somewhere around 800 to $1,000, it's always good week. Call it a week. It's a great week. Come back next week. You're gonna have like a great weekend as well. your mindset gonna improve on that. So it's a great week. Don't think about or look at numbers online that people print, even my number, okay? Don't look at those numbers. Just you do you, keep stacking braids. But yeah. Missed your comment. Should I avoid my buffer account and try to build new accounts? Yeah, of course. I guess with your buffer account, you should just take the A plus plus setups and few. I mean, I'm not saying do not trade that account because that is the account which gonna pay you a lot. I'm not saying get scared and don't trade that account at all. But don't fuck around with that account. Just take the trades, whatever you do, wins or loss, close that account. And if you don't wanna still trade on the new account. I trade 2022 model. Yeah, done for the way. It's great week, to be honest. Get it done with, or you don't wanna go from green to red on, especially on Friday. Right, that is why I'm not trading my accounts as well a lot in this job at least. Maybe evals, here and there, but not main accounts at all. I don't wanna be fucking chopped around in this. And it's not only about taking loss. It's about taking loss on the Friday, which sucks a lot.
Coming. It's coming.
Yeah, I think it should inverse. Let's see if we can do that. Whatever trades I'm gonna take, guys, today, it's only gonna be on evals because I don't feel like this is good price action to trade PAs at all. So yeah, and also I'm done again. Just letting you know on the fun dates. Mostly it's gonna be that, right? Wow. I mean, what you gonna do with this? Like, look at that. You are in longs. You thought that we are moving away, and then straight down. Why I'm not trading negative RR? Because I don't feel like it. I think that's the only right answer I have. I want to see a little bit go and ES go up and then come back down and inverse. It is not starting anytime soon. We fucked up with the way we operated, so yeah. Trade करते हो? I trade from 1 minute 30 second to like 15 minutes. Whatever feels like best at that day. Can we just go tap that on ES and then come back down? Nice. Should have bought from that FPG alone. 10 points of that. Crazy. ESK.
Yes, okay, this point is crazy.
Yeah. But at starting of the week, see, what I do make mistake on, I do make money on the funded accounts. Let's say if it's first day, I'm gonna make $3,000-4,000. If those are like non-consistent accounts, right? After I make $2,000-3,000 on the AM session, I cannot stop myself from getting higher and higher, and then that's where I make mistakes. I blew 3 funded next accounts just like that because it was only $400-500 away from $4,500 payouts. I got greedy and that's all. It was it for me. Inversion of this 1 minute, and then now we are pumping. No trades at all. This is like fucked up stuff.
ये वापस उस स्टॉक में घुस गया.
That 1 minute got respected crazy for no reason. I wanted to inverse.
NQ पर it's a 100 point pump.
What?
The PM is gonna be fire, I guess.
Yeah, I think so too. But market like this they exhaust me. See, yesterday I got up at 11 from the New York session and then it started dumping like crazy. Today I thought of let me sit down in front of a chart for a long period of time. Let's see if something happens, but nothing. Yes, it is happening like 100 points up and down, but what the fuck I'm gonna do with that? Boring price action for me. Let's go on social media. Have some fun. I don't know why X is loading this much, but hopefully. This is with negative error what Sahil did. Crazy stats. Every week ended up green. Made it to $15,000 payout. Crazy. That is fucking crazy. Look at this. Volatile chop by land. Finally, we are getting some movement. Finally. Oh, it's almost 11:30. Lunch hour almost. Plus, it gets boring when I have nothing to trade with.
आज तो गोल्ड गोल्ड नहीं कर रहा। जो चीज एनक्यू पे हो रही है वो आज गोल्ड पे उल्टी हो रही है। गोल्ड धीरे धीरे ऊपर जाई जा रहा है, एनक्यू धीरे धीरे नीचे आई जा रहा था सेशन में।
I think Monday stream will be fun, guys. Monday will be fun. If I do make it to the payout like on Monday before coming to stream, I'm gonna buy few accounts to trade. My first focus is to get to the payout on these accounts. On the screen you see, right? Once I do make it to the payout on those accounts, I think I'm gonna scale in a little bit more. The only problem is I will be able to request those payout in Tuesday morning. So yeah, Only then I cannot trade it if I do take trade before trade session. And the 2025 payout mark is, I think, 178 right now. I think it's gonna cross 180 soon. So yeah, little bit slow progress, but yeah, we are making some progress. And I'm gonna pick up few 150k accounts hopefully on Tuesday, and we start those accounts on Tuesday. I mean, realistically, how many weeks we have left, right? If I start next week, I don't know if Black Friday is a holiday for them or not, but let's say I have 4 days to trade next week and then 2 weeks in December. So I'll have at least, let's say, 3 weeks, 3 weeks, let's just say 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Will I be able to make payouts on those new 150Ks if I do purchase them or not? That's a question right there. If everything goes right, it takes like 6 to 7 days to make it to the payout if every day is green. I'm trading Funday next for now. Hello Srini, welcome to the stream. Hopefully I do. Hopefully I do. I mean, that will set the tone for next year. Great, right? Getting payout on 150k is a big deal because you get to left like $6,000 buffer in the accounts, plus you get $15,000 cash. That is crazy money to purchase new accounts. I'm gonna reinvest straight away $5,000 if I do make the payout. So from 1st January, I should have like more than 3 million funding. Hoping to get there. And then I think I'm gonna start copy trading all the accounts. Maybe not one set, I'll trade one set separately, but most of the risk less, of course, on those. But yeah, hoping everything goes. Cap is on the way for you. Let's go. I'm gonna wear NQ cap after that on the streams.
वो वाली रील बनाएंगे 150k 3% a month equals to Dubai.
Dubai.
Dubai
Fucking
1.86%
faggots.
equals to London. London is
Faggots
worth more.
slamming, like literally, bro. You cannot do shit in the London with that money.
With that money.
We cannot do shit in that money in India. What the fuck we gonna do that in with that money in the London?
For 150k 3% a month equals to Dubai.
And once I get buffer into those 150Ks, that is when the game gonna start crazy, getting crazier, crazier. At least for first 3 months. Yes, yes, they are planning something new without activation account top step. Any plan shifting to Dubai? No, not right now. I don't see benefit moving there until I mean, if I do see benefit moving there, I'm just gonna go there for the financial reasons, not for the lifestyle.
यूएई का इंडेक्स क्या है? इंडेक्स
Oil.
यूएई यूएल यूएई इंडेक्स इसका है नैस्डैक दुबई, ये क्या है? चीज एग्जिस्ट करती है नैस्डैक दुबई करके? चीज एग्जिस्ट करती है नैस्डैक दु एफटीएसई नैस्डैक दुबई कतर 10 शरिया इंडेक्स और ये 8.5 थाउजेंड पे है। Damn.
We are straight away reaping. I'm gonna eat a little bit, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna turn off camera. I'm here till 12. Of yeah, 20 more minutes. From Monday we're gonna have like longer streams, like AM, PM session, everything. We're gonna bring one by one everybody from VEDICCRAFT, for hour every hour. So we get to have some little bit fun. Abhinav, Sahil, Rudy. Every day for 1 hour, one of them will join. I mean, each of them every day. It's gonna be fun. Make sure you subscribe for that. Did you take any advice? No, unfortunately not. Hello, hello everybody. Welcome to the stream. You change your strategy? Yes, a little bit. Any tax benefits by earning in the USDT? No. In the end, you're gonna get money into INR, so it doesn't matter. Did you take? No, yeah. Hopefully, one of you
I
did.
took a buy here, by the way. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
Well,
I took a buy. I took a trade over here for my eval.
mm-hmm.
Forgot to. It was a long on the 1 minute.
From?
Fair value gap from 201 up until 220. It was a 20.
Oh, okay, up there. Yeah. Yeah, if Uday wants to join, I'll let him know. I don't think so he's gonna join. But if he does, that would be great.
Should have left it for more.
Hmm?
Should have left it for more.
Yeah.
The eval. I was trailing heavy because I was in with 2 contracts.
Oh, great. How much Rudy is up this week?
Um, this is an average, I think. Where personally I am about 600 or 800.
Okay, that's great.
It's a good one. Not the best time when we used to see two bands a week, but
Yeah, that was a crazy day
that
time.
was crazy. Like 8 bands a month, just with one contract per account. It's
Hmm.
crazy. No losings. Yep. Just need to work on it, and it will be back.
Yeah, 1 2 months more, and then I think we're gonna get back to that.
We're gonna get more than that. I think a lot better than that phase.
True.
This is just a liquidity sweep and something like that.
Yeah.
Some logic वो जो उस रील का होता है 1% निकला 3% 150 के दुबई
Hmm.
some logic like that.
When did you buy it? This.
That's just from the premium Uber
Yeah,
short selling.
he's keep asking that question. What update? Update. I'm saying when did he buy it?
Just feels like ये वापस रेंज में पुश बैक ना कर दे.
Hmm. Look at that drop. Casual 40
Yep.
points drop.
Casual. Genuinely. I think it took some internal high out और फिर वहाँ से dump हो गया.
If we have less than 50 likes, I'm not gonna come live on YouTube on Monday. No point. People don't love me. Another scalp to launch? Or what? If I were
Even
to
these
be in,
retracements of 40 pointers.
yeah. If I were to be in Delhi, if I were to, weekends always be late. I mean, you know, हर वीकेंड कितनी बकचोदी करवा दे। हम ऐसा होता है कि हम वीकेंड का वेट करते।
फिर उसके बाद 3-3 हफ्ते सब घर।
हाँ,
साथ में नहीं रह सकते।
रिकवरिंग।
रिकवरिंग वही होता कि भाई यहाँ नहीं रह सकते। क्या क्रेजी मीटअप होता है भाई।
Jelly is here in the chat.
These guys have no idea क्या होता है। क्या हाल है चलियो।
किसी की आंखें फूट रही है तो किसी का गला जल रहा है।
ज्यादा लंबे टाइम के लिए हो तो बीमार होना भी शुरू हो जाते हैं एंड तक तो।
खत्म भाई। देखते हैं दिसंबर में क्या करते हैं। Good food. Beautiful. Today is Friday, so guys, I'm not gonna hang around for long. Okay, today's gaming session. Probably all night. तुम्हारे में कोई कमी है जेलियो? तेरे लिए तो कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा साले।
चलियो छोड़ दे सुधर जा।
I don't think so. He won't. I mean,
I have no clue
if he even trades or not.
ये कि ट्रेड करता भी है कि नहीं करता है।
Yeah. उसकी बातें से तो लगता है नहीं करता है। Alright, folks. I think it's gonna slow grind to the 293 area, even above that 300 areas. Right. If we do get the momentum, I think we're gonna stay on the long bias, because if you see 15 minute, there is a bearish FEG. If we're gonna inverse that, I think we're gonna stay bullish going into it. That was my plan, but then this came. So yeah, it was fucked up. But yeah, it's fine. Up on the funders. So that's all it matters for me right now. One step at a time. I'm gonna be back on Monday. So yeah, be sure to join in Monday stream. Hopefully I'm gonna be back on Monday. So yeah. Alright guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Share तो नहीं करोगे मुझे पता है, इतना तो मेहनत नहीं करेंगे, but yeah, subscribe and like. Get the fuck out of here. Trade whatever the fuck you want to trade. Make shitload of money. And then go to sleep. Also enjoy your weekends. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye bye.